Hello, my dear students. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Myself, Professor Prakash Auti, Senior Lecturer in Physics, Jain Polytechnic, Kuranjunar. Today, we are learning Significant Figures, Part 5 from Chapter 1, Units and Measurements. So, before going to Significant Figures, let us understand least count and range of any instrument. So, we have seen that a quantity which can be measured is called as physical quantity. In physics, there are physical quantities which can be measured by a measuring instrument. So whenever we are using any measuring instrument, we should know its least count and range. Least count, as the name indicates, least, L-E-A-S-T, least, it stands for minimum. Count, it stands for measurement. So least counts, it's simply meaning minimum measurement. So we define least count of a instrument as smallest possible measurement that can be measured by an instrument. So that is the simple definition for least count. As the name indicates, least, it is meaning minimum, count, measurement. So least count, it just indicates minimum measurement that can be done by the instrument. So generally we say that the instrument having less least count, it is more accurate, or it gives accurate reading. Again, we have range of instrument. It is the minimum to maximum possible measurement. Least count gives minimum measurement, whereas range gives maximum measurement of the instrument. Now here we have seen, it can be seen 4 ammeters. Ammeter is an instrument used to measure current. So 4 different ammeter with different same range 0 to 1 ampere is given. We have to find out which ammeter is more accurate. So in first figure 0 to 0.2, this part it has only one division, so its least count is 0.2 upon 1, that is 0.2 ampere. Second figure, for part 0 to 0.2, there are two divisions, so its least count is 0.2 upon 2, that is 0.1 ampere. In third figure, the part between 0 to 0.2, it is divided into 4 equal parts, so its least count, it is 0.2 upon 4, that is 0.05 ampere. Whereas in figure 4, the part between 0 to 0.2, it is divided into 5 equal parts, so its least count is 0.2 upon 5, so it is 0.04 ampere. So out of the 4 ammeters, we have already seen that the less least count, it gives more accurate reading. So we say that figure 4 ammeter, it is more accurate because its least count is very less as compared to the figure 1, figure 2 and figure 3 ammeters. So with this information, let us start with significant figures. So in physics, we always do various calculations, and in calculation sometimes decimal places becomes very much higher. So significant figures generally gives a number in any place. Figure, it is a figure, or we say that it is a number. A figure in any place in number which is reasonably trustworthy. Trustworthy means meaningful. So that is simply called as significant figure. Here meaning of figure, it is simply a number. So significant figure for any number, it is a figure in any place which is meaningful. So it is simply called as significant figure. So use of significant figure is to avoid the unnecessary calculations. So significant figures are always related to the accuracy of the measuring instrument. Larger the number of significant figures, we say that greater is the accuracy of the measuring instrument or the measurement. Any observation which is taken by any instrument, it should be written correct to the least count of that instrument. Suppose we have taken readings from vernier caliper. Vernier caliper has least count 0.01 centimeter. So all the calculations, whenever these are written, or any observation which is taken from this vernier caliper, it should be written up to 2 decimals because its least count is 0.01 centimeter. Now there are certain rules by which we can count significant figures. The first important rule is that all non-zero digits are significant. We know that there are 10 digits starting from 0 to 9. Out of that, all non-zero digits are significant. Non-zero digits means digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So all these digits, these are significant. So if any number does not contain 0, with decimal or without decimal, then we should count all the digits. For example, number 16. So here 1 and 6 digits are given which are non-zero digits. So this number 16, it has two significant figures. Second number 35.6. Again here 3 non-zero digits are given, 3, 5 and 6. So significant figures are 3. Third number 6, 4, 3, 8. Again here all the digits are non-zero digits, so we count all these digits, so significant figure is 4. Now second rule, for if there is 0 and position of 0, it is important here. So second rule gives zeros between non-zero digits are significant. So if any 0 it comes in between two non-zero digits, then this number should be counted. For example, the number 205. In this case 0 it comes in between non-zero digits 2 and 5. So this 0 it is significant. So 205 number has significant figures 3. Second example 3008. Again there are two zeros which comes in between two non-zero digits 3 and 8. So it has four significant figures. The number 60.005. Again there are three zeros with decimal. So any 0 with or without decimal, if it comes in between two non-zero digits, then all these digits, these are significant. So all the three digits, 3 zeros and the two non-zero digits, these are significant. So this number has 5 significant figures. Third rule now for terminal zeros, but here terminal zeros comes without decimal and with decimal. So rule number 3, it gives terminal zeros without decimal. Now terminal zeros in any number without decimal are not significant unless it is specified by a list count as shown in example number 3 here. So in the number 400, two zeros are there. So these are the terminal zeros without decimal. No decimal place is there. So only one significant figure is here, and that is 4. The terminal two zeros, these are not significant. Second example 3050. So two zeros are there. The first 0 it comes in between 3 and 5, that is two non-zero digits, so it is significant. Last 0 it is terminal 0 without decimal, so it is not significant. So significant figures in this number, it is 3. Third number, it is specified by a list count 20 plus minus 1 second. So in this case 20, if only 20 is written, then in 20 0 it comes at terminal last position without decimal, so it will not be the significant, but it is specified by list count plus 1 plus minus 1 second, so it is significant here. So this number, it has two significant figures. Fourth rule, it gives terminal zeros with decimal places. So terminal 0 that are also to the right of a decimal point in number, these are significant. We have seen earlier terminal 0 without decimal, these are not significant. Now rule number 4 says that terminal zeros with decimal places, it is significant. So in the example, first example 64.00, there are two zeros which are terminal zeros but with a decimal point. So these two zeros, these are significant. So such number, it has 4 significant figures. The number 3.60, again 0 it comes at last with decimal place, so it is terminal 0, it should be significant. So this number has 3 significant figures. The number 25.060, again two zeros are there. The first 0, it is in between 5 and 6, which are non-zero digits, so it is significant. Last 0, it is terminal 0 with decimal point, so again it is significant. So this example, it contains 5 significant figures. Rule number 5, if the number is less than 1, then all zeros before the first non-zero digits are significant. So fifth rule, it gives the significant figure, rule for significant figure which is less than 1. For example, the first number 0.0064. So there are 3 zeros with decimal. The number is less than 1. So 3 zeros are there which are before the first non-zero digits, that is 6. So these are not significant. So only 6 and 4. These are only 2 significant figures. In second example 0.0850, again there are 3 zeros. Out of that, the first 2 zeros, these are before the first non-zero digit 8, so these are not significant, but the last zero, it is terminal 0, which is significant, so this number has 3 significant figures. Similarly, the third example 0.000250, again the first 4 zeros which are before the first non-zero digit 2, these are not significant. The next 0 which is in between 2 and 5, it is significant. The last 0, it is terminal 0 with decimal, so again it is significant. So this number has 4 significant figures. Rule number 6. During conversion of units, use powers of 10 to avoid confusion. So generally whenever we change the units, conversion of units are there, so conversion of units does not change the number of significant figures. If we consider simply 2.700 meter, then it has 4 significant figures. If it convert to centimeter, then we can write 2.700 into 10 raised to 2 centimeter, so again it has 4 significant figures. If we convert it into kilometer, then we can write 2.700 into 10 raised to minus 3 kilometer, again it has 4 significant figures. So remember, whenever any number is written in terms of base and 10 raised to power, then take the number base for counting significant figures. 10 raised to powers, these are not considered while calculating significant figures. Only base number is taken. So conversion of units does not change the number of significant figures. So these are the 6 rules by which we can count significant figures. Now let us have certain examples. We can find the number of significant figures from this number and find which rule is applied here. The first number is 1002. So this number is without decimal. Again the 2 zeros are there, with these are in between non-zero digits 1 and 2, so it has 4 significant figures. We have used rule number 2 here, that is the zeros in between non-zero digits, these are significant. Second example, it is 1002.0. So 3 zeros are there, the first 2 zero in between non-zero digits, so these are significant. Last 0, it is terminal 0 with decimal, again it is significant, so this number has 5 significant figures. So we have applied 2 rules here, rule number 2 and rule number 4. Third example 0.05. So this number is less than 1. So in such case, the zeros before the first non-zero digit, that is 5, these are not significant. So only significant digit, it is 5. So this has only 1 significant figure, and we have applied rule number 5 here. Another example, it is 56800. Here 2 zeros are there which are terminal zeros but without decimal. So terminal zeros without decimal, these are not significant. So only first 3 digits, these are significant figures. So this example has 3 significant figures. So we have applied rule number 3 here. Another example is 2512. So this number does not contain any zero in it. So all the non-zero digits are significant. So this number has 4 significant figures, and we have applied rule number 1 here. Another example 174.36. Again this number does not contain any zero. So all the zeros, these are significant, all the zeros without decimal. Here no decimal, so all non-zero digits are significant. So significant figures are 5. So again rule number 1 is applied here. Another example 244.000. So terminal zeros, these are terminal zeros with decimal which are significant. So all the digits are significant. So such example has 6 significant figures, and we have applied rule number 4 here. Next example 0.25, which is less than 1. So first 0 before the non-zero digit 2, it is not significant. So 0.25, it has 2 significant figures, and we have applied rule number 5 here. Another example 0.02500. So there are 4 zeros. First 2 zeros, these are before the first non-zero digit, that is 2. So these are not significant. Last 2 zeros, these are terminal zeros but with decimal place. So these are significant. So significant figure here, it is 4. And we have applied rule number 4 and 5 here. Let us study some another examples. 0.0012. Again this number is less than 1. So first 3 zeros which are before to the first non-zero digit 1, these are not significant. So this number has only 2 significant figures and rule number 5 comes here. The number 1.20, here only 1 zero is there with which is terminal 0 with decimal, so it is significant. So this number has 3 significant figures and rule number 4 is applied here. 20.034, again here 2 zeros are there, but these 2 zeros are in between 2 non-zero digits 2 and 3. So all these zeros are significant. So this number has 5 significant figures and we have applied rule number 2 here. One more example, 1.60 into 10 raised to 8. So we have already seen that whenever a number is written in the terms of powers of 10, then only we consider significant figures in the base number. So base number here is 1.60. So we will consider significant figures in this number only. So in 1.60, 1 zero is there, which is terminal 0 with decimal. So it is significant. So this number has 3 significant figures. And we have applied 2 rules here, rule number 4 and rule number 6. The number 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 9. So again no zero is here. All the digits are non-zero digits. So all non-zero digits are significant. So this number has 6 significant figures and we have applied rule number 1 here. The number 1, 2, 3, 0, 5, 8, 9. So only 1 zero which is here in between 2 non-zero digits 3 and 5. So this 0 is significant. So this number has 7 significant figures and we have applied rule number 2 here. The number 1, 2, 3, 0, 5, 8, 9, 0, 0. Again 3 zeros are there. First 0 is in between non-zero digits 3 and 5. So it is significant. Second, last 2 zeros, these are terminal zeros without decimal. So these are not significant. So this number, it has only 7 significant figures. And we have applied rule number 2 and rule number 3 here. The number 0.000430. Again this number is less than 1. So first 4 zeros before the first non-zero digit 4, these are not significant. Last 0, it is terminal 0 with decimal, so it is significant. So such number will have 3 significant figures and we have applied rule number 4 and 5 here. The number 430 plus minus 0.1. So it is specified with the least count. So whenever a number is specified with least count, like plus minus 0.1, generally we say that if a number is given 430, so here terminal 0 without decimal, so it will not be significant. So 430 will have 2 significant figures, but it is specified with a least count. So in this case it will have 3 significant figures and we have applied rule number. So let us have certain MCQs related with these significant figures. The first one, a significant figure is defined as a figure in any place which is reasonably. So we have, from definition we can say that significant figure is a figure which is reasonably trustworthy. Trustworthy means meaningful. So option D, it is correct option here. Second one, the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 are. So all these numbers, these are non-zero digits. So all non-zero digits, these are always significant. So option C, it is correct option here. All non-zero digits are. So this is the first rule. All non-zero digits are always significant. So option number A is correct. if distance between Mumbai to Pune by train is 90.5 kilometer, in this 0 is, so here 0 it is in between two non-zero digits 9 and 5, so it is significant. So correct options, it is option B, significant. The number of significant figures in the measurement of 0.0560 is, now this number is less than 1, so first two zeros, these are not significant. Last 0, it is terminal 0 with decimal place, so it is significant. So such number will have 3 significant figures, so option C is correct one here. The number of significant figures in the measurement of 0.0045 is, so again this number is less than 1. First 3 zeros, these are before the first non-zero digits 4, so these are not significant. So only digits 4 and 5, these are significant. So correct option, significant figure, it is 2, option number B. The number of significant figures in the measurement of 203. Here 0 is in between two non-zero digits, so it is significant. So all the 3 digits are significant. So correct option is significant figure 3, option number C. Which of the following number have 4 significant figures? So for all these numbers we have to find out significant figures. If we start from last number 0.100, it is less than 1, so first 0 is not significant. Last 2 zeros, these are terminal zeros, so these are significant figures. So option D, it will have 3 significant figures. Option C, again it is less than 1, first 3 zeros are not significant, so this will have only 1 significant figure. Option B, again it is less than 1, first 2 zeros are not significant, last 0 which is terminal 0 which is with decimal place, so it is significant, so it has 2 significant figures. Option A, 1.011, 0 comes in between two non-zero digits, so it is significant, so this number has 4 significant figures. So option 1 or option A, it has 4 significant figures. Final zeros after decimal. So we have seen that terminal zeros with decimal, these are always significant. So option C is correct here. From the given option, which is the correct option related to accuracy and least count of instrument? We have already seen that if any instrument it has least count, then it is more accurate. So option number A, option A, less least count, more accurate, is the correct option. Final zeros without decimal are, final zeros means these are terminal zeros. So we have seen in rule, final zeros or terminal zeros without decimal, these are not significant. So option A, not significant, is correct one. Thank you very much. If you like my video, you can like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.